Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing some really cool photo shoots in this beautiful location. So a little backstory, I was looking for a studio in Calgary with natural light. I found a few, none of them I really loved, but to top it off they were really expensive, wanting around $50 per hour or like $300 to $500 a day, which I'm definitely not paying for like a personal photo shoot. So instead what I did is I found this really cute place on Airbnb. I asked the host if she's okay with me doing a photo shoot here. She said that it's totally fine. So yeah, that's what we're doing here today. I'm gonna have two beautiful models come over and we're gonna do some really cool, interesting shots. It is a very small space, but it is so cute and I'm super excited to get creative here. Oh, that's really cute. I love that. Just one little tiny, yeah, here you go, you got it. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. That's really nice. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, I saw this in my shop. And also I think this now looks weird in the shot. Yeah, that's really cute. And now what if you put it down on the, yeah, and then just kind of turn around, leaning, yeah, that's really nice. Oh yeah, that's super nice. I love this. Yeah, I think this light works the best. You look super glowy with this kind of light, and it's very cute. What if you turn around towards me just a little bit? Oh, that's cute. I actually kind of like if you're doing this.
Like looking down.
You can look at me. Yeah. Get a little bit closer. Yeah. Yeah, that's really cute. What if you again like hold on just with one hand on? Yeah. Maybe switch up. Yeah, like that, but just hold it down, yeah. And just give me like a little bit of a smile, just like, yeah. Perfect. And what if you do this motion, like if you're just standing like a little bit more on the side with like your shoulder towards me, like as if you're about to grab it, but not really. Yes. What if you kind of like lean down? Yeah.
Like this? Or
like that, yeah. I think like that, yeah. If you put your hand down right there. I just want to kind of try different angles, yeah. And I want to try this on my 85 really quickly. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, and stay like that. Turn your body towards me just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so put the cup down. I want to take just a nice portrait of you, just literally standing right over there where you are. Now get closer to me, closer. Just kind of like right back, just a little bit further, and stop over there. Yeah.
And my hair is fine.
We can grab a little bit of hair in the front. Yes. Oh, that's super nice. Go just a step back. Yeah. See, and let's do that again with you sitting on the floor here. So just kind of where you are. But what if instead, yeah, what if instead, maybe something like this here on the floor, and just scooch just a little bit further. Yeah, yeah, not too much, not too much. Yeah, that's good. And then a little bit this way, so you're like right in that frame. Yeah, yeah, and just kind of like, yes, it's perfect. It's perfect.
Is this pillow fine?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna really get it in the shot, so we can just have it like back on that chair. Something with the legs I don't like. What if you just put them like this? Yeah, yeah, that's better. That's better. Beauty. What if you lean to the cupboards? And if you,
right?
Yeah, I think so. Or like, yes, yes, that would be, that's beautiful. I love that. Oh, yes. That's awesome. All right, let's take some in that bathroom. Yeah, let's see what we can do there. It's even smaller. So, just like as if you're about to have a bath. You don't even have to take it off. You can just literally put it on top of this. Here we go. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's really pretty. Actually, I really like it. Yeah, for you, that direct light just works so well. Yes, I love it. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm like, okay, here we go. Oh, I love that. I love the hair, like on this side. Oh, what if you kind of go this way a little bit more towards me? Yeah, I love that. That's beautiful. Holding your hand like that, yeah. Yeah, you know what? My favorite was when you had kind of this hand and you kind of went like that. That was, yeah, if you can hold maybe here, that's really nice. And what if, let's try this. What if you again sit on top over there? Or is it possible to sit just kind of like, no, over here. What if you sit over here and you just kind of like lean like this?
Okay. You sit and lean here?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. A little more light. Oh yeah, I love that. That's beautiful. What if you sit more like with your legs on the chair? If you know what I mean? Yeah, I like that. That's cute.
I like this.
Yes, yes, yeah. I love it. Like very slouchy, yeah. And would you be able to put your hair in like a little messy bun? Yeah, I like that. That's cute. What if you
go like this? Is my face going to be too shadowed?
No, no, okay. Don't worry about that. What if you put your hand like this? Oh yeah, that's really cute. Yeah, I love that. I'm not sure about that lamp. What if I just move it a little bit to the side? Yeah, that's better. Ooh, okay, that's super nice. This lamp just gotta go. Sorry, lamp. What if try to put both of your legs up and just like cross your legs? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I love that. I love that. What if just this knee that's you putting on, just take that fabric off of it? Yeah, and then, yeah. Just like a little bit, see like this over here? There you go. I love these kind of shots. Oh, I love that. And just eyes on me. Oh, that's beautiful. I've been doing a lot of pictures like this lately, but I really love them. I love how this light just directly is going in. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous right there. Okay, try to put your legs down just on this side. Yeah, ooh, I like that. I like that. That's really nice. And then like if you just move your body more towards, yeah, like this kind of. Yes, yes, exactly. And then drop this shoulder again, how you had it, like, no, the dress from it. Just make sure, see how it like, it has the lining, and it just like does this thing.
Does the thing.
Yep. Oh, I love that. I love that, that's beautiful. I wonder. Oh ho 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 ho.
Oh ho. We got it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I love this light. Yeah, that's really cute. And I love that you can see like the kitchen in the background. Yeah, let's put the cup down and let's do just some portraits of you like sitting like this. That looks really good. Oh yeah. Oh, that's super nice.
My too chubby cheek or?
Yeah. Yeah, that's better. What if you have the legs this way? Yeah. Exactly. And what if you kind of just put your hair like in a pony, just holding it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Exactly. Yes. We just finished our photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was something a little bit different than what I normally do. And thank you so much, Peyton. You're such an amazing model. Just coming up with amazing ideas. I will leave her link in the description down below. Of course, if you want to check out her Instagram, and if you're a photographer in Calgary, if you want to work with Peyton, shoot her a message. And I will also leave a link to this Airbnb in the description down below as well, if you're in Calgary and if you want to shoot here. And yeah, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.